Hello, people.
We are doing a second farm life after like a month.
Yeah.
And we have people to join us. One person.
Hello.
Hello. We have a person joining us.
I'm a predictor.
The predictor.
Game today. And he
like predicted it all. Like
yeah.
all the dice rolls.
And I like I rolled it. I was like, "What do you predict?" And he said 6. And then I rolled it, got a 6. And he kept doing it for so long. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you know? Okay, people, we have some sad news. You know Dawn, the rabbit?
Dawn?
She died.
Yeah, she died.
She's dead.
That's the only like video evidence that we have.
When she died, she was very stiff. When my dad picked her up, she was stiff.
Oh yeah, come here. Come on.
Lisa.
And now the farm place looks a little different.
Yeah, because we put walls up.
Now let's do cool motion shot. Chicken, look at me.
Oh yeah. Oh, let's go.
All right.
So
Looks a little different. As you see, one of the cages are
Rabbits.
empty.
so we got the chickens here. Let's go, Joe.
Chicken.
No, that's not. This one I have got.
This is Gaga. This is the chicken you saw in Farm Life 1.
Yeah, because she has her red tag.
This is a
That's
bunny.
Peter. He has a more round face.
Oh, yeah. Peter. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. Peter. Cottontail.
Mopsy. And then Mopsy. Flopsy, Mopsy, Peter, Cottontail.
And not Dawn.
Yeah, that's a sad story.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Yeah, every day they're trying to. They are smart chickens.
They are. I remember. Before,
they-
like for Farm Life 1, I remember they tried like digging out.
Yeah, they try to dig out.
This. I don't know what they're doing. They're trying to escape out this way. That's gonna be wild.
They're digging out right
Yeah,
there.
they are doing
Excavation. If you want to excavate some dirt in the ground, tie up some chickens.
This is our. Hey, no, yeah, sawdust.
There we go.
A lot of sawdust.
Yeah, okay. Bye, Lillian. Okay.
The door's been closed.
So, and then, let me show you a closer view on the rabbits, okay? Last time you're gonna see me grab it up close.
Gotta be very careful to the camera because this rabbit could attack the camera. So don't get it too close.
Come here. Yeah, this isn't hurting them. When you grab by this girl, it's fine. Here's a rabbit.
That is so adorable.
Oh yeah, but
Normally in the shows, people grab the rabbits up by their ears. Do not. That will hurt them.
Yeah.
That will
So
hurt.
like grabbing someone by their hair and holding them.
Or the ears. Well,
Should we continue?
yes. Now we have the greenhouse.
All right, let's now do a transformation from being here to somewhere else. 3, 2, 1, snap.
Oh, hi. Hi.
We're here.
Power of editing.
Power.
Okay, so here's the greenhouse.
Come on in. Okay, it might not be a difference to you because, well, yeah. But it is actually a lot warmer in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's much warmer in here.
Oh, guys, we got some sad news.
What happened?
Plant strubbles. Yeah, I call them plant strubbles. They all died. Well,
Oh, your plants died?
I don't know why this is.
There's some plants.
Yeah, they're good. Yeah, the only thing I got left of my plant.
It's a sad story. It's sad being on a farm.
Well, I used to have tomatoes, but
They died.
Tomato. Oh, I remember when you were talking about the plants. Remember how it ended in Farm Life? How I was like right here, and then they said you died.
yeah. Well, that is gonna wrap it up.
Is that gonna wrap it up?
Yeah. So Cole. Oh yeah, this might be a new addition to the team.
Might be a new addition to this channel.
It's like in my eyes.
All right, let's introduce everybody before, well, outroduce, I guess. Remember, this is Nathan. This is Cole. Very professional. And this is
Lillian.
And this is me, and that's gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you for watching, and peace out.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Show you how tall this mountain of snow is. Look at this.
And it's huge. Before it was literally up to here.
Yeah,
It
it's
melted.
so much.
Yep, yeah. Short video. But
This is very short, but yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
And you try to think it's the background.